Here's a great tool that I discovered. It's this rubber wheel which you put on your drill, and it's great for removing some sticky gunk and decals and labels without harming the paint at all. I've already removed part of it. You can see this was a paw print. And I tried Gooby Gone and mild solvent. I don't want to do anything to the paint. This thing actually removes the adhesive without harming the paint at all. It's a giant eraser. I want to get a close-up of it here. I don't know if you can see this, but here's the outline of it. And this part here was the same right here. And you can see it's clean right here. So this thing really works great. It's called, got this one on Amazon. It's called Whizzy wheel or something like that. And just type in there yellow paint label remover tool, something like that.